This is IGL Leather, a REACH-compliant, 100% breathable, low VOC, non-etching silica coating. Let's check it out. EcoCoat Leather cross-links with the surface of the leather via nanotechnology to create an invisible layer that repels undesirable liquid, dirt, stains, UV radiation without altering the flexibility, appearance, or texture of the coated surface. Inside the box, you will get an applicator block, pre-coat, the EcoCoat Leather bottle, protective glove wear, a spray nozzle for the pre-coat, and EcoShine leather. We're gonna take the EcoClean pre-coat and we're gonna spray this all over the surface of the leather, which is gonna pull any sort of oils or fillers that could be on the surface out. So when we're applying the coating, it's gonna adhere directly to the leather surface. I would spray generously all over the surface that you plan on coating, just so it sticks at its maximum potential. So we have our bottle of leather and we are going to apply it onto our applicator block and cloth. It to the surface evenly. You should be able to do a few seats at a time in the vehicle before you have to come back and start leveling it down, making it look consistent. And what I like to do when you're using the applicator block is, if you can't get into certain areas, take the cloth off of the block, fold it, apply a little bit more, and this will help you get into those smaller cracks of the seat. What I'll do is I'll coat a few different seats, then coming back with a microfiber to go over it, level everything out, kind of wipe up any excess product that hasn't cross-linked with the surface. After the first coat of EcoCoat Leather, you're going to want to follow up the second coat between 2 and 12 hours. Make sure you don't go over the 12-hour period because the first coat might not bond with the second coat. The full cure time is about 3 to 5 days. During this period, the surface should not be washed with any harsh shampoos, APC, or anything containing caustic soda. This may damage the hydrophobic properties. The coated surface can be washed with just plain water during this period. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to find this product and many more, go to iglcoatingsusa.com. Or if you have any questions or would like to set up an account with IGL Coatings, please reach out to me personally at jturcott@iglcoatingsusa.com.